Oh my God. You look, I'm just sorry. I'm praying. Guys, I'm sorry for this one. I just had to. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. I'm finally checking in. It's 4:15 p.m. Thank you for following the brand. We're building the brand together. That's me and you. You, the YouTube viewer, or maybe on one of the other social platforms. We're building the brand HairFleek, start to finish. I'm showing you the ins and outs. We're starting this from scratch, from our first visitor to our first email sign up to maybe getting a sale. I don't know if we're even going to get a sale. I think we can. I have a little bit of experience with this. I'm also the guy behind Private Label. We've done pretty well over the last 10 years. And we have brought back, we can hop over to the computer here. We brought back HairFleek. Okay, this is a website we started in December of 2014, almost 10 years ago. We shut it down about 5 years ago. I'm bringing the name back. I'm bringing it back. I'm building it back with you. Now, what I was saying in the beginning, what I built, oh my God. This one's wild, guys. Let's go over here and we have the navigation built out. Things are looking good. We got a little bit of the homepage design looking fire. I got the blogs coming, don't worry. Still need to build this out a little bit more, but the sugar baby. What the hell is this? Well, let me show you. I had this idea and I was like, let's just run with it. I'm still editing this some, okay? And I have to have my developer help me a little bit. This is the sugar baby gift card, okay? This, instead of saying show me how much, let's go ahead and just hop in and edit this because I was playing with the name. This Luke's is dying. I mean, dying for me to sign up for them, and I have to in the next day. Okay, let's get this. Show me how much. Actually, it's not here on this page. I forgot. I was looking at it. I was like, wait a second. What's not right here? Let's hop over to the products. It's going to be within the variant. So what that is, it's the variant. Show me how much. Instead, because this was first a different name, so this made a little bit more sense. So now it's got to say how. What should we say here? If I put something and you think something different, leave it in the comments. I might switch it. How much, how bad do you want me? I mean, we got to show. Okay, so let's hop back over there. We got this updated. By the way, what's killing me, which we're going to do in a minute, I don't have the Favicon hooked up. This is the Favicon right there. I'm going to set up our Favicon today. We're going to do it together. Okay, so Sugar Baby gift card. How bad do you want me? You pick an amount. Now, what I told my developer is we need this to be automatically checked. So this will, I'm trying to get rid of this text. This is built in the Shopify system, okay? And I'm going to show you where I set up the gift card. So basically, they're going to put in the email, little name, a little message. When they want to send it, add to cart, and they can check out. So send this to your sugar daddy, best friend's boyfriend, sneaky link, generous customer at the dance studio, you know what we're talking about, or anywhere else who might support your obsession with hair. Message from sender. Don't expect me to be flown out, come over at 3 a.m., or pull up at any time without my hair being done. Pooh. Look at that. Send a sugar daddy. Literally, you can click this. This is mostly built for mobile. They're going to click this and send it. You could send it to like, okay, say you're a dancer. You could send this to like 10 people. I guarantee you a few of the guys would buy it for you. And like, you're going to have free hair. This is brilliant. Okay, I have the steps 1, 2, and 3. I have a link in the description of this video if you want to go check out this this page directly. I'm going to do some cool marketing stuff. This is like, it works and it's serious, but it's also kind of fun and funny because we know how the world works. And it's just, this happens all the time. I mean, like, it is what it is. It's just reality. But what I think is this could be like, if another girl saw this, they would definitely send it to their girlfriend and be like, oh my God, look at the Sugar Baby gift card. This is so freaking funny. That's what I'm thinking. So maybe even a little bit of press. Who knows what we can do with this? So this we're still building out slightly. We got to make some tweaks. But by the time you see it, it's probably going to be built out even better. But look at the design. Everything looks good. Now, in a previous episode, I think this is probably about 9 or 10, so you can go back and watch as I've been building this out. I told you how we're going to build out the pages of the products. This is starting to look, pretty good. This is what it's going to look like, and it looks really good on mobile as well. Let's see. If we go over here, online store, and we can hit customize. Always check on mobile, because I had to redo some of these images because on desktop it looked great, but it did not look great on mobile. So you can see this here. Look at this. Oh my God. This looks great. See, these photos are square. So what I had to do is make sure the subject was more in the center of this, not to the side, because they would have been cut off. So this is pretty fire, guys. I'm just saying, this looks good. Okay, enough with this. You guys are acting up. Let's go over, actually, I probably should have stayed in there. What we need to do is real quick, let's head over and let's do the Favicon. Okay, so that's going to be here. I already have the logo here, and I already have the idea of my Favicon. Basically, I want to do just the little hashtag symbol. This image is only 100 by 100, the size. Now the Favicon is going to shrink it down to like 32 by 32, which is totally cool. But I'm just making it a little bit larger. I'm getting it all the way to the edges. Well, I guess I can't do it. This height, we're a little more of a height restraint than anything. I think this is going to look good. It's going to pop off the screen. Okay, so what I need to make sure is we do a little background remover, because I think this may have had a white background. Okay, ooh, it's probably a little, maybe it's a little pixelated. I don't know. We're going to see how this looks. It's also it's at 500. So see, it was at 500%. So it does look a little pixelated. It's okay. So we're going to call this HairFleek Favicon. Okay, always name your images, guys. You're doing yourself a disservice if you're not naming your images. Okay, so we got this downloading. Take a second. Oh, that's going to come up in a second. Yep, that's it. That's it. Let's go over here. We can just click this. Head over here. Okie-do. There it is. Let's see. HairFleek Favicon. Always name your images. Okay, this is important for accessibility. This is important for SEO. Let's see if I have this one named. Oh, see that? So it's good to go through and double check, make sure that you are naming everything. Let me grab a little sip of coffee out of the world's best boss. If you search Google, that's me. That's some Vietnamese drip coffee. That is fire. Oh my God. Okay, let me see if the Favicon shows up now. Okay, we're trying to get this. See that right there? It sometimes takes a couple seconds for it to get updated, so we can come back to that. No biggie. Now here's the thing. I'm in my expensive, kind of crazy SEO program called Ahrefs. We have HairFleek in here. We have some old domains. They're crappy domains. They're not helping me whatsoever. We have 0 keywords so far, so we're going to celebrate once we get our first keyword in Google. We have 0 at the moment. But I did realize I missed something. Oh, when setting up Google Search Console, which I did in probably one of the first few episodes. Right here, you can see Search Console. We didn't add our sitemap. And let me show you how easy this is. So on Shopify, it's just your domain name /sitemap.xml. So I'm going to copy that. And let's go over here, paste it, submit. And now it's submitting the sitemap. Look at that, submitted successfully. And now that's going to start really helping with the indexing. I would say within, today's the 22nd. Let's hope by November 1st, we get our first keyword indexed in Google. First of many, I'm telling you, the way we're going to do this is going to be awesome. I can tell you it's going to be awesome because we have our groups of writers. We have our first 19 articles. We have the articles here. They are in the works. We are looking good. I told them to make the titles a little bit more wild. How to slay a lace frontal like a bad bee, if you know what I'm saying. So we got some good slang in here, some good information in here. So we have the blog posts coming. Those will then be posted on the web. Oh, let me save this now. Oh, that's why the Favicon didn't show up. I didn't save it. Let me see if that Favicon shows up. There it is. I don't know why it has the... Oh my God, I messed up, guys. Let's redo this. Sorry. So this... No, the background. Did I choose transparent background? Favicon Let's do HairFleek web. I'm just going to add web so it's not like a second image. What I might have done with the PNG, excuse me, I forgot to put transparent background. So that's why it looks like crap. So let's do that one more time. Only going to take a second. I hate, for some reason, I have this setting where this pops up. Please tell me how to get rid of that. We're going to go back over here, hit change. We're going to remove. We're going to add this back. Oh, no, it's named the same one. Okay, whatever. I'll rename the image later. As a matter of fact, I can do here, .web, and we'll do HairFleek Favicon. I might even go in and delete the old one just because I don't like all these extra favicons and whatnot. Let's see here. Let's get out of here. Oh, I almost did it again. Let's save. Let's get out of here. And let me see if that works. No, not yet. Okay, we'll come back to that. Real quick, products, gift cards. All you have to do is create gift card. And that's how you can start doing the gift cards like I set up for mine. This is the Shopify feature. I think all Shopify plans should have that. Remember, I'm on the Big Baller Shopify Plus plan, not the regular plan. So I do have some extra features in here. All right. So we have the Favicon done. We have the sitemap added. We don't have a damn keyword, but that's okay. We added our sitemap. They're coming. Let's see. Did my Favicon upload? Still not yet. Okay, whatever. Okay, the blog is coming. We got the gift cards working. Now, there's going to be a few things that we need to get set up. That is going to be adding a few apps. Those apps are going to be PostScript. So we're going to need to add that. Okay, let's see. PostScript. Yep, we need this. I like PostScript, okay? Now, Klaviyo, who we're going to use for email, they do have SMS, but for some reason, I just like my PostScript. I think the SMS is better. SMS is going to be a big part of your business. So we're already set up PostScript. Look at that. We're ready to rock. Not really. We got a lot of work to do in here. I'm not going to show you all the work that me just doing it, but what we're going to do probably tomorrow or the next day, I will go back and show you some of the automations and other things that we have set up. Okay, so I'm going to go through here. I'm going to go through all the setup, the compliance, this, that, the other. All you have to do is follow the instructions. It's pretty easy. They make sure that everything's good. And then we're also going to set up Klaviyo email marketing. Okay, so that's going to be another app that we add. That's Klaviyo. Some people call it Klaviyo. You call it whatever you want. Okay, we're going to install this. This is also owned by Shopify. Well, Shopify invested in them. Excuse me. So the way they're sharing the data and the information, I think it's pretty good. So we are going to sign up for this as well. I'm going to get some of the automations and stuff going. And then tomorrow I can show you where I'm at with this. We're coming down the wire. It's Tuesday. We have Wednesday, Thursday. I got to record some podcasts and other things coming up. I don't know. Like, we're going to launch on Friday. It might be crickets. No one's going to really know, but I want it pretty ready before we launch. But we're going to see. I'm going to go through. I'm going to get all this stuff set up. I may check back with you guys later, may not. We're going to see how the day goes. Overall, leave a comment. Let me know. Sorry, I had this thing that's driving me crazy that's not working here. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think so far. What are you excited about? Is there anything extra that I can answer? What do you think about the Sugar Baby gift card? Is that thing fire or what? Marketing behind that's going to be hilarious, by the way. Okay, that's it for now. I might check back in with you guys later, but let's go HairFleek.